Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix error in this column size too large. The maximum column size is 767 byte. Now you see error in PhpMyAdmin. So we are going to fix it. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. After importing database, show this error. So we are going to fix it. So first we are going to drop all tables again. So go to database and then you see this is all our table. So we are going to drop it. Now check all. Now select drop and then click on yes. Now you see your SQL query has been executed. Go to structure again. No table found. So we are going to fix this issue. So we are using MySQL database. Now you see MySQL. Now go to wamp server. So this is our wamp icon. So click on it and then you see multiple option. Now you see MySQL we are using and then you see version. Now you see MySQL setting. So hover on it and then you see innodb-default-row-format compact. Now select dynamic option. So we are in MySQL and then MySQL setting and then you see innodb-default-row-format compact. Now select dynamic, so click on it. When we select it, then wamp server restart again auto. Now you see, refresh the page. And then we are going to import database again. So click on it, choose file. Now select and then click on go. Now you see, please be patient. The file is being uploaded. Now you see our issue is fixed. And then you see import has been successfully finished. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.